Will Baker Hughes, a Germany company, defy bears? Investors will get their next glimpse of BHGE's Q3 earnings on October 30th. Analysts are forecasting revenue to climb 9.1% to $5.86 b in the next fiscal quarter, while earnings are seen soaring by nearly 300% to $0.2 per share. History has shown that shares in Baker Hughes, a Germany company, have gone up on 5 different earnings reaction days and are predicted to add 0.01% when the company reports upcoming earnings. In last reported earnings results, it earned $0.1 per share, worse than the 14 cents adjusted expected by Thomson Reuters consensus estimate. Revenue was $5.55 b, worse than the $5.57 b analysts expected. Earnings are estimated to increase by 92.4% this year, 102.4% next year, and continue to increase by 76.7% annually for the next 5 years. Baker Hughes, a GE company, will probably climb 38.16% over the next 12 months, according to price target estimates compiled by Finviz. Meanwhile, they have set a $45 high price target. This represents a whopping 64.47% increase from where shares are trading today. The 12-month median price target assigned by the analysts stands at $39, which represents a return potential of 42.54% when compared to the closing price of the stock of $27.36 on Friday, October 26. The lowest price target for the stock is $29, slightly more than 5.99% from BHGE's current share price. The stock is currently hovering around the first support level of $26.71. Below those, the next support is placed in the zone of $26.06. Till the time the BHGE stock trades above this level, bulls have nothing to fear. On momentum oscillators front, RSI has touched 21.3 on daily chart, which may remain a cause for comfort. If the price breaks below $26.06 level on closing basis, then we may see more profit booking, and the stock may show further weakness. On the flip side, hitting the $27.98 mark may result into a pullback move towards $28.6 level. On 26th of October, Baker Hughes, a GE company, shares ended lower after a volatile session. The shares dropped minus 0.19 points or minus 0.69% at $27.36 with a heavy trade volume of 4.953 million shares. After opening the session at $27.1, the shares went as high as $27.95. And as low as $26.68, the range within which the stock's price traded throughout the day. The firm is left with a market cap of $30.6 billion and now has 1.12 billion shares outstanding. Baker Hughes, a GE company, BHGE, stock has lost minus 19.13% of market value in 21 trading days. The stock's value has fallen minus 13.53% year-to-date, YTD, against a decline of minus 8.62% in 12 months' time. The company's shares still trade minus 27.54% away from its one-year high of $37.76 and 7.17% up from 52-week low of $25.53. The average consensus rating on the company is 2.1 on a scale where 5 equates to a unanimous sell rating. In short, the mean analyst recommendations are calling this stock a sell. Shares of Baker Hughes, a GE company, BHGE, are trading at a P/E ratio of 0 times earnings reported for the past 12 months. The industry BHGE operates in has an average P/E of 23.86. Its P/E ratio went as low as 9.97x and as high as 15.59 over the 5-year span. Further, it is sporting a 1.39 on the price-to-sales ratio. Compare this with the industry average PS of 2.57. 16.6% is the gross profit margin for Baker Hughes, a GE company, and operating margin sits at minus 0.8%. Along with this, the net profit margin is minus 0.1%. Let's take a look at some insider activity at Baker Hughes, a GE company, New York Stock Exchange BHGE, and see the pattern. The earliest insider trade took place on 8/6/2018. Camilleri Kurt parted with a total of 2.51 thousand shares of company at average share price of $34. The total for the sales was set at $85.44 thousand. After this transaction, the VP Controller Chief Act Goff account balance stood at 0,000 shares. The stock lost minus 19.53% since that insider sale. On 8/6/2018, Hyman Mathias V, Chief Digital Officer, sold 12,000 shares at a price per share of $34. This removed 408,000 shares from the insider's fortune, and the stock saw a minus 19.53% retreat in value since the news became public. This transaction left 3.74 thousand shares in the Chief Digital Officer account. Meanwhile, shares have recorded minus 25.99% decrease since the transaction was reported. The insider now is left with 0,000 shares remaining in the account. Marsh William D., who performs the Chief Legal Officer job, sold 6.54 thousand shares for $234.37 thousand. The disposal occurred on 5/1/2018, was priced at $35.82 per share. The share price plunged minus 23.62% since the reporting date. Marsh William D. now left with a stake of 22.46 thousand BHGE stock worth $614.59 thousand after the insider selling. Baker Hughes General Electric Company oilfield services arm fell just short of estimates for profit in the third quarter, while forecasting a rise in North American and foreign markets in 2019 that ran contrary to signals from its peers. The results follow those for bigger rival Schlumberger and Halliburton Company, which barely beat quarterly profit estimates and warned of slowing North America growth in the ongoing quarter. U.S. rig count, an early indicator of future output, has risen from a year ago thanks to a ramp-up in production by companies seeking to benefit from a surge in global oil prices LCOC1. But oil services firms have seen demand for their services soften as U.S. producers cut down on spending, and transportation bottlenecks in the Permian Basin of West Texas and New Mexico pushed the price of regional crude lower. Baker Hughes said revenue in oilfield services, which accounts for more than half of total sales,